Welcome to my channel. My name is Lundyn, and today I am going to be doing a video on the new Morphe eyelid primer, which looks like that. Now, before we get into this, you may wonder why my hair is neon yellow. Well, I am in the process of lightening and then coloring my hair, so subscribe to my channel and hit that bell so if you want to see what color my hair is next Monday. It's a surprise. There's only like 3 people on this planet that know what color I'm doing, so it's gonna be super exciting. I've been waiting for this for a long time, and now I'm like, I need this color or colors. Try and comment down below what color you think my hair is gonna be, or colors. Let's get into this. So the Morphe eyelid primer is $10. It's a translucent waterproof eyeshadow primer, and it has a wear time of 12 hours. So this is what it looks like. There's the back. Now it says apply a thin layer to bare lids on the back, but when I looked at the website, it said to wait a minute before you start putting the eyeshadow on. So I'm going to be doing one eye with Morphe and one eye with the Makeup Forever Step 1 eyeshadow base. If you are new to my channel, I have been using this eyeshadow base pretty much the entire, like, how many videos do I have? Like 43 videos that I've done so far. I've pretty much used this one or the Soft Ochre, not the Soft Ochre, that's what color it is. The MAC Pro Longwear Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. Since these are both translucent, I don't believe the Makeup Forever one is waterproof, but I do know that it has a claim of a 24-hour wear. They're both translucent. I haven't felt to see like if this one's sticky or if it's like this one where it's a little bit more like a silicone-y fill and then dries down. Let me just test that. Oh, and then also this one is $23 and this one's $10. And this one has 9 milliliters. This one has 10. So they're like a millimeter off. So I'm just gonna put a little bit out on my hand. The coloring reminds me of the Urban Decay primer potion. It does not feel like the primer potion. I just rubbed it into my skin and it like, I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell, but it like blurred out this little section right here. I'm gonna let that sit, and then I'll show you the Makeup Forever. So the Makeup Forever is white and then goes translucent. Yeah, the Makeup Forever is a lot more, has that like slip silicone feel. Ooh, the Morphe one is getting a little tacky. It's nothing crazy like the Fenty Beauty eyeshadow primer. If you want a really sticky primer that's translucent, Fenty Beauty is where it's at. I know this is just like clear stuff on my hand, but they're both pretty blurring. So I'm literally just gonna take the tiniest little bit on my finger. I have seen a lot of my fellow friends here on YouTube trying this out, and then when I went to pick up the Morphe James Charles palette, this was at the checkout and the guy was like, oh yeah, this is awesome, blah, blah, blah. And I was like, oh, how much is it? He was like, $10. I was like, throw it in there. Who cares? Okay, so I did a really thin layer on this eye. I'm gonna wipe my fingers off. I'm gonna do the Makeup Forever, pretty much the same amount of product on this eye. Again, the Makeup Forever has a lot more of a slip to it. I am gonna let these both sit for a little bit. While these are sitting, I was going through all of my eyeshadows and I was like, what eyeshadow do I really trust and know how it performs? Which one is a pretty good eyeshadow formula that I'm really comfortable with, that I know what is right, what is wrong, how it goes, how it blends, blah, 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 blah. And what I came to is the 4 Z palettes that I have of the Makeup Geek eyeshadows. These are awesome. One of these, I've used every single one of these eyeshadows at least once. They're not insane. So it's been a little over a minute and they basically feel exactly the same on my eyes. If anything, this one's still a little bit tackier, the Makeup Forever one, but I'm gonna zoom you guys in and I'm gonna speed this eyeshadow process up, but I'm gonna try and do mattes, shimmers, so you can really see like how it wears. Blending out the eyeshadows, I did notice that where I kind of stopped the primer, it was a little hard to blend this like part over here. And then I did notice that the purple stuck really well on this outer corner, better than this one. But for some reason, this like line thing won't really go away, so just to note whenever I come back and update. But I'm going to I'm not going to do eyeliner, but I'm going to put mascara and my eyebrows on, and then I'm going to be checking back in a few hours to see if there's any noticeable difference on the eyeshadow. So I will be back in the check-in. Alright, so it's been about 8-ish hours now, and the green that I put on my lash line did transfer up onto my eyelid. The one thing that I do feel like I'm noticing is that I still feel like that little gap, like right here is where I stopped the eyeshadow primer. I feel like you can tell. I also feel like there's a weird bit of fading in the front right here. I'm not really noticing anything on this eye other than both eyes did transfer. What do you guys think? Also, welcome to my home. I did not have the time or the energy to put it up, so leave it in the comments below what you think. I am going to continue to use this through the rest of the week, and I should be able to give an update on Monday, write it down to remind myself. But this is the end of the video. Don't forget to comment what you think my hair color is and what you think about this eyeshadow primer. I honestly think it's worth the $10 because 8 hours and it still looks pretty good. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.